Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got Thai food today. Good gang guy. Good motherfucking gang guy. Oh my god, look at the juice in this bitch. The juice in this bitch. Hold on. I took the top off the Maybach. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So motherfucking good. Whew. Let me show y'all what we got. Look at that. Look, that look good. I know that look good. Shit. We got medium spice with a side of hot. You should have your nose running. Good ass Thai food. Let me know if y'all fuck with the Thai food, man. I love Thai food. We got chicken, bamboo shoots or whatever, green peppers and mushrooms in here. And the red curry sauce. A couple of spring rolls. Got Thai iced tea. I ain't had Thai food in a minute, man. That shit, look at that damn iced tea. What y'all know about that Thai iced tea? Hold on. Y'all know nothing about that Thai iced tea. Nose already running. Shit. God, that shit's so good. You fucking that shit up. some. Go down like this, like fuck it. Let's eat. Shit. Shit hot. Hot, hot and good. There we go. We in there now. Made me a lot of plum sauce, a little plum sauce for you too. Spring rolls. Motherfucker hitting, boy. That motherfucking spice beat my tongue ass, boy. Ooh, slow down. Slow down. I just wanna get to your faces. That pretty round thing was good to me. This shit's so fucking good. It's crazy. As you get older, the taste buds, well, I don't know if the taste buds change, but you can tolerate certain things as you get older. Ooh, excuse me. Like mushrooms, I would never. No mushrooms. No mushrooms, please. But mushrooms don't even have a taste. Them bitches just mushy. Or I don't even know. They're really irrelevant. They just in this bitch to provide some extra health, I guess. I don't know. Some potassium. Vitamin D. Shit. I feel like they just take on. Look at this. Look how creamy that bitch. Creamy that bitch is. Yep. The mushrooms just take on the flavor of whatever the hell you got them in. Camera with a runny nose looking stupid. Oh, 10 minutes in, shot. Fucking plum sauce so good. Damn. I'm getting full, okay? Let's save some of this for lunch tomorrow. Shit. This shit was on, oh my God. This shit was on point. 10 out of 10. Well, 9.7 out of 10. Them spring rolls. I feel like I've had better spring rolls, but it's a spring rolls, whatever. Like, I feel like I've had spring rolls that were a little less, like those had a good crunch, but like the inside, I don't know, a little mushy. Yeah, I think what we at 12 minutes, almost 13 minutes. What they be saying? Let's have this shit wrapped up. About to wrap this shit up. I just wanted to come on camera and eat some good ass Thai food with y'all. My first time going to this place. Shit. I didn't even tell y'all the name. We just got right to it. Let me see. The name of this place is called Som Jai Thai. Excuse me. Som Jai Thai Cuisine. Some good ass food. Y'all make some good ass food over there. They got some other shit I see most popular. People be getting sticky rice. Wait, what is that? Sticky rice with sausage? What the fuck? They got sticky rice with beef ribs or beef tips, I think I saw earlier too. Let me see. Usually when I go to Thai food restaurants, that's the main thing I get is the gang guy. Or I might mix it up and get like a pineapple fried rice, chicken type shit. Oh, pork belly. Okay, pork belly and sticky rice, that sounds good. I might have to try that next time. Yeah. But shit, man. Whew, I'm full. I'm satisfied. 9.7 out of 10. Fuck it, I'm giving him a 10. I'm giving him a 10. Fuck it. 10 out of 10.